Hi, my name is Kaylee Morgan, and today I'd be doing slime pops. And this really looks like a real popsicle, but it's not. It's slime.
Ooh, let's see, close up. Ooh. Who's this?
This is Kylie. She's my assistant, I guess.
Certified popsicle lover.
Yeah. Okay, and then my first thing I did was I went to Walmart. I found these popsicle things and I had the greatest idea. They're molded popsicles. They're only 99 cents a piece. So we can also put slime in them. They were like this when we cut them, and then we cut around and then they look like this.
Here, hold it up. Show us. Nope, tilt them. Tilt them towards the camera.
Oh.
Let's see. So we cut them out and they look square like this, and then we cut around the edges to make it a clean cut.
And let me show you. You can
So let's open one. Let's see our
we just opened one, Mom. Okay.
All right, how do we make them?
There's one more thing. You can use plain slime. Doesn't have to be fluffy. Doesn't have smell. Doesn't glow in the dark. This one is a glow in the dark, and it smells like lavender. Relaxing. And this one's just fluffy slime. Okay. So first we're going to start with a bowl. First we're going to start with the bowl, a mixing tool, some white on glue. Stay flow. There's only a little bit, so maybe not, won't work. We have glow in the dark. We'll add in the middle. This we're going to add when we have our slime. It's a lavender smell. Foam beads in the middle. Some color and shaving cream. Shaving cream, foam beads, glow in the dark, and smell of lavender are all optional. You can pick whatever color you want. So I'm just going to be picking blue since I grabbed blue foam beads. And blue is kind of my favorite color. So here we go. Just enough. And now we are going to add the color. My assistant, would you like to stir?
Maybe make it a little darker than the one you just made.
I like to make it dark. Okay, would you like to stir? Yeah. Mix it till all the white's gone. And then, when she's done mixing, I guess we'll add some shaving cream. Keep mixing. Okay, now let's add some shaving cream. Get off. Now start mixing. Get up here. Okay, and then when she's done mixing it, we'll add some foam beads. Oh, here it is. Oops, on my face. And some foam beads. Keep mixing. Okay, and now we are going, can you hold this like this? Now we are going to be adding some glow-in-the-dark powder.
Where did you find glow-in-the-dark powder?
I found it online on Amazon, the same as I got these beads. They were only $9 for 9 of them, and I got this, I don't know how much.
$6.
Wow, $6 on Amazon. So, now dump it in, and we'll mix it.
And you got the, let's show the glow-in-the-dark powder is from Art Glow, and it's an aqua glowing powder.
Now we just mix it up. And now we'll add some of this Stay Flow. And I didn't forget, when we make our slime, I have to add the lavender smell at the very end.
What makes you choose lavender?
It's really relaxing, and I think it's a really good smell. Okay, if I can even get it open. So I just mix it with the Stay Flow, and then you can see like it's clumping together. So if you touch it and you get like this sticky stuff on your hands, you might want to add more, or if it's stuck around the edges, just keep mixing it. So it's really sticky. It's really sticky. So if it's really sticky, it's because of the powder. It makes it really sticky. You might want to add more shaving cream, and then more Stay Flow. See, the Stay Flow is like activator for it. Pretty much activator. So I guess we could just start playing with it. Oh yeah, shaving cream. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry about that.
Do we need the bowl anymore, or can we move it?
I guess we could just move it. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it feels so good. Mom, it's like the same color. Now it's stickier and fluffier. So I guess now we can add some lavender smell. And then we'll just mix it up and that smells so good. Want to smell?
Let me see.
Let me get it off me. It's really sticky. See, the
take a
powder
look.
makes it very, very sticky and melty, so that's why it's good to add some
Here, let's see.
shaving cream.
Ooh. All right, why don't you package it for our fans?
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use this.
Ooh, it does
one.
smell good.
I know. I'm just going to take some. It's so hard to break since it's so stretchy. Might stick onto the bowl, it's so sticky. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. It's not going down, Mom.
Maybe not do it so hard.
Don't do it.
Did you make fart slime?
Yes, I made fart slime. I'm gonna call it blueberry slime. I like blueberry. Stop. Okay, so can I use something else? This is really, really hard slime.
Maybe add a little bit more Stay Flow in it.
No, how about shaving cream? Shaving cream makes it non-sticky.
Okay.
Time to mix. Ooh, it's not sticky anymore. Just get all the little pieces from before off my fingers. Mix. I totally made a mess, but whatever. Okay, so here it is. It's not sticky anymore, so let me just rip it apart. Which piece is smaller will use? Okay, now it's working. Okay, it might need to be clumped. It's so full now. Okay, so let's pull a little off. Hey, I see you. I see you over there. Get back in here. Then you're just gonna stick this in there. And then here it is.
Let's see. Hold it up. Take a bite.
Deliciosa. Okay, so now I'm gonna go stick it in the light, and then I'm gonna go put it in the dark.
All right.
See if it goes in the dark.
All right, go stick it in the light.
Put it around.
I'll stick some in the light too. Just hold it up to this fluorescent light.
I'll hold it up to this one, I guess. He loves the taste of popsicles. Oh God, it's breaking.
All right.
Okay, now go put this in the dark.
See if it glows. Woo.
Okay, go put this in the dark, Mommy.
All right.
Here you go.
Let's go see if these glow. The pop. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, here it is out. It's too dark. Oh, there we go. So there you can see it's glowing. Ooh, glow in the dark slide.
Mom, where'd you put the popsicle?
All right, let's go.
Where'd you put the popsicle?
I'm still filming.
Oh.
I have to say goodbye.
Sorry, guys. I found the popsicle.
All right.
Come on in. Okay, Scott. Really, you just mixed that?
Ah, it's the same thing.
Whatever.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So that is it for my channel, and goodbye. Subscribe.
Do 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 do.
I have no bowl sticks to put this in, but whatever. Okay, let's go, Kaka. Oh, do you want to do the glow zone thing?